Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be starting grade 9th maths number system chapter. So let's solve exercise 1.1 question number 1. Are the following statements true or false? Give reason for your answers. Okay, so the first one, every whole number is a natural number. Okay, this is false because whole numbers start from 1, 2, 3 until infinity, and natural numbers are counting numbers. So they start from 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Okay, so this statement, the first one, is false. Now the second one, every integer is a rational number. Okay, so this is true. Now the third one, every rational number is an integer. False. Because what happens in integers, they start from minus infinity to plus infinity. They're like plus infinity. Okay, and in rational numbers we can't do that. We can't write the answer like 8 upon 0. That would be invalid. So this one is false. Now the fourth one, every natural number is a whole number. This is true. Okay, now the fifth one, every integer is a whole number. This is false. Because as I explained in the third one, integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity, and they cannot be represented in whole numbers because whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity, and they never go in minus, like minus 1, minus 2, like this. So whole numbers are just straightforward plus numbers or positive numbers. So this one is false. Last one, sixth, every rational number is an whole number. This is false because rational numbers are represented in the form p by q, and where q is not equal to 0, and in whole numbers we start from 1, 2, 3, infinity, so there's a 0. Okay, so we will apply the logic of this question, the third one. Right, so we have done question number 1. Let's begin with question number 2. Okay, let's see the answer to this question. Now, is 0 a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number. Now, we can give some examples. In the previous question, in true or false, I gave examples which were like this, 8 upon 0, which is not a valid one. But in this question, question number 2, examples will be 0 upon 8, 0 upon 9, 0 upon 10, or any number in the denominator place. Okay, any number. Fine, this is our answer. Let's begin with question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, so let's begin. This is a very simple question. Now, how to find rational numbers between 1 and 2? We will take LCM. So let's find the number which has enough rational numbers. Okay, this will be 2 upon 1. Now let's say 5. No, not 5. Let's take 6. 6 multiplied by 1, 6 upon 6, and this will give us 12 upon 6. Okay, so 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6, and 11 upon 6. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our answer. So remember, while finding the answer for such questions, the answer could be anything. Okay, any number or any rational number that you prefer. Just make sure that it has 5 or any specific amount given in the question. And if your calculations are right and the method, then this question is right, no matter what the answer is given in the book. Let's solve question number 4. Okay, we have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, let's find out the answer. Now we will find the LCM again. So first, you have to write it in this form. Now, let's think. Uh, 7. 7 3s are 21 upon 7, and this is going to be 28. Sorry, 28 upon 7. Right. So 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7. How many did he ask? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. 27 upon 7. Okay, we got it. We have 6 in total. So this is our answer. Okay guys, let's find the answer for this question. Find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay, this is very simple. 5 into and 4 upon 5. Okay, now we need 5, but we can do one thing, multiply it by 10. Okay, when we multiply it by 10, we'll get 30 upon 50, 40 upon 50. So there are 8 and we require only 5. So 31 upon 50, 32 upon 50, 33 upon 50, 34 upon 50, 35 upon 50, and 36 upon 50. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our answer. 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and I know I haven't uploaded videos for a long time, but I have begun 9th grade maths, so I will be uploading videos frequently. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos such.